Welcome to Talk of the Town. I'm Robyn Zimmerman. I have two very special guests that I actually have talked with before. I interviewed Becca Edwards. She is a yoga teacher. And then Peggy White, I have known through her work as an actress with Lean Ensemble. And now Becca, you are on the board of the ReCenter, and you had this vision of this arts retreat that is going to be the end of March. So I'm very interested to learn more about it. It is actually called Arts ReCenter Retreat, and it's going to be the two really meaty days are Friday and Saturday, the 24th and 25th of March. But kind of share with the viewers your vision for all of this.
Yeah, so I think when people see March 23rd to the 26th, they think that's a lot, that's a big commitment. The 23rd and the 26th are really just social events, an opportunity to get to meet the other participants and the teachers and instructors, and then the last day to share your work if you want. But Friday and Saturday is the heart of the retreat, and we really wanted to. So we're going to have both lectures, workshops, and breakout sessions that encompass visual, written, and performing arts. So Peggy's going to be doing the performing arts part, I'll be doing the written art part, and then Debbie West will be doing the visual art part. And I think earlier Peggy said it perfectly. I mean, the real vision here is...
So when retreat, right, recentering, giving yourself the opportunity to be creative and you do not need to have any prior experience writing or visual or acting, of course, but giving yourself the opportunity to play and get out of your head. And then through that experience, maybe at the end, look at, well, what did I learn about myself that might be useful for the rest of my for other parts of my life, and that could be like, oh, I'm really hard on myself, getting trying to do too many tasks, and there's no sense of play. And so if I walk away from this and I find some ability or a moment during a day to feel more playful and get out of my head, does that make my day better?
And just set you free.
And set you free. Exactly.
Well, the arts are so, I mean, I'm a big theater person. The arts are just so amazing. I mean, because they're so holistic and they're so, it's just a beautiful thing for young people, for older people, retired folks, whether it's if you like to write or maybe you don't even know if you could write or act or whatever. So this is, I used the word earlier, discovery. So you're going to kind of maybe discover a little bit more about, as you said, yourself.
Yeah, tapping into the creative expression is really what we want. So whatever that means for the individual. And I think sometimes, like Peggy said, sometimes we get caught up in like this results-oriented mentality. And so we want to provide a playful weekend where people can maybe be surprised by their hidden talents. I think sometimes we're so quick to say, yeah, I'm not good at this. I can't write, I can't act.
I'm not talented.
Yeah,
exactly.
Right? And that doesn't have to have anything to do with it. It can be 2 days of an adventure, right? Almost for anyone living on the island, if they can commit those 2 days to some workshops and some classes, it's a little bit like a staycation.
Yes.
And could be a nice way of meditating.
Yes.
Self-reflection.
Yes.
And also, I really want people to see the ReCenter as a hub for the arts. So we're not just talking about plays and musicals. We're talking about individual expression. We're talking about going to, meeting with community members or other people in the community.
Forming relationships with others
networking.
That have the same interests.
Yeah.
And so it's for adults only, though? Yes.